We have already learned that a possessive pronoun is a pronoun that can replace a possessive noun and still show the ownership. So let us see some sentences using possessive nouns. Now this is essentially the same thing written in two different ways. This pen is Anisha's. This is Anisha's pen. In both the sentences, Anisha's is possessive noun. Now I can replace a noun with a pronoun. So suppose Anisha is saying these sentences. So Anisha is saying this pen is Anisha's, this is Anisha's pen. Now instead of saying this, she would use a pronoun for first person for referring to herself. So instead of saying this pen is Anisha's, Anisha will say this pen is mine. Mine is the possessive pronoun, as we have learned, which is used for first person singular number. So this mine stands for Anisha's. What about this sentence? This is Anisha's pen. So if Anisha has to say this is Anisha's pen, once again she would not say the word Anisha's. So what would she say? She would say this is my pen. My is a pronoun here. But what is the difference between mine and my over here? My is a possessive pronoun, as we already know. But my is a possessive adjective. Why is it a possessive adjective? My pen. So my is actually describing the word pen. We know that adjectives describe or qualify nouns and pronouns. So my is describing the word pen. It is telling us whose pen it is. So whose pen is it? It is my pen. So my is a possessive adjective because we are getting the answer to whose pen it is. So it is possessive adjective. My is describing the word pen. So over here, my is used as a possessive adjective. And this is the difference between these two sentences. In this sentence, mine is the possessive pronoun and over here, my is the possessive adjective. So for first person singular number, the possessive pronoun is mine and possessive adjective is my. This adjective my describes the word pen. So if I pose a question, whose pen is this? Then the answer will be mine. So mine in itself is a complete answer. But if the question is whose pen is this? The answer will never be my. It will be my pen. So mine in itself is a complete word. It shows possession, my pen. But my without the word pen does not make complete sense. So my pen, the possessive adjective has to come before the noun it is describing. So possessive adjective is placed just before the noun it is describing. So my is placed before the word pen. But as you can see, mine does not have any noun after it. So this is how you can differentiate between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. So let us look at the other possessive pronouns. So possessive pronoun is mine. Possessive adjective is my. For first person plural number, the possessive pronoun is ours. This house is ours. But the possessive adjective is this is our house. So the word our describes the noun house. So it is an adjective. Whose house is this? Our house. So our is describing the word house, which is a noun. So it is an adjective and it is giving the answer to whose house. So it is a possessive adjective. Whereas this ours is a possessive pronoun. So for first person plural, the possessive pronoun is ours and the possessive adjective is our. For second person singular, so second person means the person spoken to. Singular number, this book is yours, this is your book. So your is the possessive pronoun and this word your, it describes the noun book. It tells us whose book it is. So it is a possessive adjective. For second person plural, once again, this goal is yours and this is your goal. So these two sentences mean the same thing, but yours is a possessive pronoun and your is a possessive adjective because it describes the word goal, which is a noun. So if I ask you, whose goal is this? The answer will be yours. So yours in itself is sufficient to give the answer, but your is not sufficient. We always say your goal, never your. So for second person, both for singular and plural, the possessive pronoun is yours and the possessive adjective is your. Now let us come to the third person, which is neither the person speaking nor the person spoken to. It is everybody else. So third person singular number. That box is his or hers. So for masculine gender, we use his, and for feminine gender, we use hers. So his or hers. But for possessive adjective, we use his box or her box. So his is a possessive pronoun and over here his is also the possessive adjective because it is describing the word box and telling us whose box it is. Hers is a possessive pronoun but her is a possessive adjective. So his is the same for possessive pronoun and possessive adjective, but in case of feminine gender, hers is the possessive pronoun and her is the possessive adjective. Now what about third person plural number? That box is theirs. Theirs is the possessive pronoun for third person plural number and that is their box. Now their is describing the word box and it is telling us whose box it is. So there is a possessive adjective. So for third person plural, the possessive pronoun is theirs and the possessive adjective is their. So these are the different possessive pronouns and these are the different possessive adjectives. So do not get confused between them. A possessive adjective will always be followed by the noun it describes, whereas a possessive pronoun will not be followed by the noun. So in this sentence, this is my school. Is the word my a possessive pronoun or is it a possessive adjective? As we can see, the word my is describing the word school and it is followed by the word school. So it is a possessive adjective. Now can you write this sentence using the possessive pronoun? It will be this school is mine. Mine is the possessive pronoun for first person singular. So the sentence will be, this school is mine. Now can you tell me whether yours in this sentence is a possessive pronoun or a possessive adjective? That book is yours. So as we can see, yours is not describing any noun, nor is it followed by a noun. I know that a possessive adjective will be followed by the noun that it describes. So it is not a possessive adjective. It is a possessive pronoun. How can I rewrite this sentence using a possessive adjective? Well, the possessive adjective for second person is your. So I can write, that is your book. So this is how you can differentiate between a possessive pronoun and a possessive adjective. The same sentence can be written using a possessive pronoun or a possessive adjective, but you should very clearly know and understand the difference between them. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.